Hello, in this video, you're going to learn how to test the electrical continuity between the metal faceplate on your verification disk and the electrode shaft on your iCOR device. If eventually your device is not passing verification, we can test the continuity between shafts and metal faceplates to make sure that the device has the continuity to pass the verification procedure. To do so, you need a voltmeter and set this voltmeter to the continuity mode. Once we are set on this mode over here, then we're going to place the iCard on top of the verification disk with the same procedure that you typically take for any verification procedure. Then we're going to place one of the ends of the voltmeter on the metal faceplate and the other end on the electrode shaft. And with that, we should hear the beep from the voltmeter. We're going to repeat this process for all the contacts between verification disk and electrode shafts. If you don't hear the beep on the first place, you can ask someone to help you to press down the device and then test the continuity between shafts and metal faceplates. If still you don't hear the beep, make sure that you clean the electrodes and also the verification disk to make sure that it is free of dust or any, debris over there. Also, we need to make sure that we test the inner electrodes onto the inner faceplates as well to make sure that those have electrical continuity. Once the process is done for one of the directions, we're going to follow the same procedure that we typically take during the verification procedure, and then we're going to turn the device and test it on again. So the goal here is to check the continuity on all 6 contacts between shafts and metal plates. Once this process is done, we were able to check if all the continuity is indeed in accordance to the specification. If by cleaning the electrodes and also the metal faceplate, you still don't have continuity, another option is to remove the cap from the half cell electrode on your iCOR device. By removing the cap here, we have more leg work over here. So you can further press down the device onto the verification disk to enable a better continuity. This process is only done for the verification procedure in which you're not using sponges. So it's metal versus metal, and that's why this process of removing the cap might help. After you've done this process, you can just put the cap on again to make sure that we don't lose moisture on our inner half cell electrode.